If you can mount a TV, you can install AMP.
A strength training gym that adapts to you in real time, and setup is way easier than you think.
The installer finds two studs on the wall, about 12 to 24 inches apart, and marks them with painter's tape. The template is placed against the wall, making sure it's level and sitting on the floor. 8 drill points are marked. And a cloth is used to catch any dust, keeping your space clean. AMP can be installed on wood studs, metal studs, or concrete. The installer mounts the upper and lower brackets, securing them with lag bolts and washers. They attach the shelf to the wall with 4 lag bolts, leaving them slightly loose. Then, protect the shelf with a microfiber cloth, lift the device, and hang the device onto the wall bracket. A safety bolt is added at the top. The shelf is attached to the device, and the charging cable is plugged in. And everything is tightened into place. Covers are installed to finish the look. Finally, the installer plugs in the power cord, and your AMP installation is complete.